Starting our journey to the Cascata di Marmore. It's the entrance. We are going through this tunnel. I thought it will be an amazing journey. From here you can hear the sound of the waterfall. It's really amazing. Here you can hear the water is flowing, and you can also hear sound of the waterfall. It's really amazing. One question. Now we are having our breakfast. Some of us are taking coffees, and some of will take cappuccino. We will go through this road within a few minutes. We are waiting here. He is really a cool guy. The mountain that we are seeing that amused us most. Now we are entering through this place. I'm not so sure about this place. What is it? Maybe a restaurant. Okay. The cool guy, he has given us the opportunity to get in, and here we are seeing some pictures. I think the old pictures of Cascata del Marmore, and there are also some toys on the table. They're also nice. It's the symbol. It's the symbol. Here there are some homemade pastas and some spices, and also some wines. More that is not useful to us.
Che c'è un soldino del Bangladesh? C'è un soldino del Bangladesh?
Also, now we are going through this ancient road. While you are walking through these roads, you can imagine how old these streets are. It's a cave. You can see. So although it's during the day, but it's already dark. How deep it is, we can't see. We can't imagine. Okay. There is a small, you can say it's like canal. The water is flowing through there, and the water is really clean. Also drink this water. We are a few steps away from the Cascata del Marmore. Now we are going to. There is also a cave on the side. Yeah, you will find the description here, and the cave is over here. Please come with us. Here the second cave. How deep it is, we can't imagine, but although it's here, how high the mountain is, you can see, and we are on the top, and on there you can see there is like a building there, from there you can enjoy the waterfall. Now we are getting down to reach the point where we can see the waterfall clearly. It's just, you can see the stairs. It's amazing, and I think it will be the most beautiful scenery in my life, in our life, and we can also praise the God how He creates all these things for us. And we can also, by seeing this waterfall, we can also imagine how great our God is, how great Allah is. From here you can see there are water there that are going through, and the nature you can see. Now we are almost here. Just 2 or 3 steps we are here. Wow, it's really amazing. Now we can see how God has created the waterfall. It is not the biggest waterfall, but it is beautiful. It is beautiful, really. নিচে থেকে চলা যাবে না, তখন বেশি দেখা যাবে। You can see also the nature. You can also see the nature. How God has created all this nature for us. Allah is great. He is the creator. You can see the mountain, those mountains, how they, the waterfall, how much water is getting down, how much water are getting down.
Main point, we can have पूरा फुल रहेगा।
Which favor of our God you will deny? Which favor of God you will deny? Now we are in front of the waterfall. In the down you can see the steam. Okay? The steam is coming out. There is also some water that are falling apart, and the big waterfall there. Down there there is also a place where you can see the waterfall much closer. We will go there, inshallah. As we said that we were on the top, now we are getting down, and now we are going towards towards that point where we can see the waterfall much closer. And now you can see the stairs here, they are made of wood, and the street is made of it's not a culvert street. You can see the raw soil here. There are some tourists, they are also visiting this place, and you can also the nature, we are going through the nature. Here you can see there is also a cave. How deep it is, we have no idea. It's the third cave that we are seeing. Maybe there is a small tunnel where the water is also passing. It's a part of the waterfall. The water is also falling. We are also going through this nature. You can see the nature, how green it is, full of trees. And you can see the wall on the side. Wow, it's I think this wall is from the ancient time. They didn't touch this wall. You can see also, you can see how old this wall is. Now we're seeing the nature from the top. It's like a balcony. The view, you can see how long the wall is, and you can see the tree just on the last part of this wall, how the tree is taking places. Here you can see also a small waterfall. Wow, it's really cool. See the place. See, wow. See the stairs. The stairs are made of wood, and you can see also the raw soil, and also you can see a small waterfall. Small waterfall. It is the smallest I have ever seen. As we are getting down, but it is not easy to get down. You can see the side of the road. how old this wood are, these woods are. And also there is a waterfall. You can also see waterfall is everywhere, here and there, everywhere you can find. If you are getting tired, there is also a place to sit. You can rest here, and you can imagine with this nature. If you sit here, how you feel, and you can see the raw soil. The most amazing thing is the raw soil. You can smell the raw soil. The road, I can't explain how beautiful it is, how old it is. You can see the trees, how they grew up, how they grew up, how God has created them. You can see the street where we are getting down. As I said you earlier, it's not a easy job. The sun is shining here. At the end we have found some shine. It feels good. The authority has wrapped the rock with some metal. That's why it will not get fallen. In the here it's written that we have to wear the mask all time.
অনেক দিন আগে দিছে গাছটি আসেন না কেটে দিছে জ্বালাইছে হইল অনেক নিচে এসে
algae.
ভাই এত ভিডিও কইরা
Now you can see the wall, how old it is. You can see the algae all over. It's green and green everywhere, but you can see the algae, how big they are, and it also covered the whole street. So you can imagine how old this street and how old this wall is. See the cape. They have supported with pillar the cape. That's why it will not fall down. Wow. Maybe the ancient people lived here. it was their
আমাদের
face.
সাথে বিপরীত কেউ যায় দাওয়াত তো দিও কলমাটা তাকে ফিরা দাও এটাও দাওয়াত কলমাটা একটা ফিরা শুনে দাও তাকে আল্লাহু আকবার
How God, how Allah has created all this.
ফান ওয়া ইয়াবকা রাব্বিকা যুল জালালি ওয়া
See the tree? See the tree? And see the algae, see the wall.
আল্লাহু আকবার
Amazing.
কবীরা আলহামদুলিল্লাহি কাবীরা তাহলে ভিতর দিয়ে চলেন সুবহানাল্লাহি বুকরাতাও ওয়া আসীরা আল্লাহু এটা টানেল লিখে টানেল এইটা ভিতরে থামে যাবে ভিতরে এটা ব্লক করে রাখবে
That is the modern street,
লা ইলাহা ইল্লাল্লাহ মুহাম্মাদুর রাসূলুল্লাহ
made of steel.
সুবহানাল্লাহ
You can see the ancient touch everywhere. The ancient touch. The walls, the trees, the mountain, algae, ancient touch is everywhere. Now we are getting into the modern touch. Here, look at the stairs. Look at the street. It's a modern street. It's much more comfortable. There is also another kid. See the place. There is also a waterfall in front of us. That is a small waterfall, but it's good. It's really good. Before there was a street that people can go through. Now they have blocked the street. And as I said you earlier, the waterfall is everywhere. There is another waterfall. The water is getting down and down and down. এই যে তেলের লোক। There is also another cave. There are many caves. And down there you can see the logo of this place. Then here you will find the logo of this place, of this area. That is, the name of the area is Terni. A big rock here. If you are getting tired, you can sit here, take some rest, and see the waterfall, how fluent it is. We will go there. We are getting down far longer. Now in this street you can see the modern touch. They are not as ancient as before. They have reconstructed the street and see the mountain. Now we are getting down through these stairs. These stairs are made of wood. Yeah. While you walk through this street, you can hear your own sound, your foot sound. The sign of anxiety you can see everywhere. The ancient road, ancient walls, everywhere. Caves. I think there is also a cave there. Small cave. Yes. Wow. If the train authority give you the permission to stay here for a night, then you will be out of the world. There is also a cave, and there is a cave on the right side, and the water is going through on the left. You can hear the sound of the waterfall. See how fluent the water is, how fluent. And you can also see the stream, how fluent the water, how fluent. Okay, there is a rainbow. Wow, the rainbow on the waterfall. You can't see everywhere. This scenario you can see everywhere. It's really amazing. It's undescribable. You can't describe. Now we are going through a wooden. We are going through a wooden bridge. You can see the waterfall, the fluency of the water, and on the backside, on our backside, you can see the waterfall. How fluent it is! Allahu Akbar. Nature and the water flow. Another wooden stair. Now we will see the waterfall just in front of us. The waterfall is in front of us. Just a few steps away from the waterfall we are. The stream is everywhere. Allahu Akbar.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم.
The most beautiful scenario in our life. If you stay here for 5 minutes, you will get a bath. That's for sure.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. এখানে উঠে চলছে না?
Okay. Done. The rock is seated. The ancient rock.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
The ancient rock. With this rock, they have made the wall.
الله أكبر كبيرا. لا إله إلا الله.
We are just far away from the waterfall, but you can see the flow, the water flow, the tie of the water flow. You can see also some small flowers. How beautiful they are. The flowers. Those are just beside the water tide. The water tide. The fluency of the waterfall. If you throw someone there, definitely you will not find him. Definitely you will not find him. There is a rainbow. There is a rainbow. There is a rainbow. See?
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
Allahu Akbar.
আল্লাহ পাক একবার করবে একটাই যাচ্ছে
The sky is blue today. The bluest sky we have ever seen. Now the battery is getting lower. Maybe another 5 to 10 minutes we will take. The water flow, and on there is a rainbow. There is a rainbow. You can see this type of rainbow not every day, not everywhere. How beautiful the rainbow is. Wow. The battery is getting much weaker. Maybe it takes another 3 to 4 minutes, then we have to stop. See how clean the water is. You can see the rock down there. The water is so clean. Here you will find the plants that name Rupia peregrina. It's difficult to describe how beautiful the waterfall is.